Hi everyone, Jeff McGarry with Diversified Mortgage, bringing you the real estate update. Today I'm joined by
Laura Owen from Coldwell Banker.
Thank you, Laura, for being here. I appreciate it very much. What are we going to talk about today?
Well, we're going to talk about the buyer's first steps before they go shopping for a home. And personally, I think that they need to get themselves pre-approved. And so the reason for getting pre-approved is, number one, you need to know exactly how much you can afford before you go out looking at homes. We don't want you to waste your time looking at something that, well, it might be just a step above where you're at. Also, you need to have your loan in place before you write the offer. You're going to have to show the seller, and if there's a short sale lender, you're going to have to show them as well that you have the ability to purchase this home. And what I'm trying to tell people is that how important it is to pick their mortgage broker. Just as important it is to pick the right real estate agent, you need the right mortgage broker. It's very important. Remember, this is the biggest investment of your life. You want to make sure that person's representing you in the best possible manner, just like your real estate agent is. And of course, I do recommend Jeff McGarry from Diversified Mortgage.
Well, thank you very much, Laura. I second that, what you just said. Absolutely correct. It's so important that we find out exactly what the buyer can do as early in the process as possible. What is their credit score? How much money do you make? How much money do you have? We have many loan programs where you can buy a home with none of your own money. Every single dime can be a gift through the FHA program. If you're a VA buyer, you can buy a home with none of your own money because it's 100% financing. Great program. But again, we want to check the credit, we want to check your income, we want to check your money that you've got, and from there, we're able to make that decision on whether or not you can qualify for that loan or not.
And remember, not all mortgage brokers are created equal. Not all lenders are created equal. You need to know that they're going to give you and tell you the best loan for you with the best terms at that moment. If they give you what I call a bait and switch rate or a teaser rate, this is something they offer on the internet, or if you make a phone call, they'll offer to you. But when you get down to the purchase, can they close that loan, or are they going to change the interest rates? Jeff, what kind of things have you seen?
Well, especially with the internet, as you bring up, that's very interesting. You see a published rate on the internet as an example, but I don't believe that they're taking into consideration the FICO score. What is the loan program that the borrower is applying for? How much money are they putting down? What term of the loan are they looking for? Is there prepaid interest being paid in the transaction? These are all important things when determining an interest rate. So a lot of times I see rates on the internet and they're just base rates, but not taking into consideration all of the particular interests for the borrower at that time.
This is true. And we wanted you to realize that when you go to buy a house and the rates get switched on you or the terms get switched on you while you're in escrow, this is going to possibly cost you a double inspections, double appraisal, and double your frustration and double your time. We don't want to do that. We want to do it right the first time out.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Laura. Again, Jeff McGarry with Diversified Mortgage. I can be reached at 925-426-8383, extension 50. Laura, how do we get a hold of you?
I'm Laura Owen from Coldwell Banker. You can reach me at 510-583-5442. And of course, my toll-free in the local Bay Area, 1-888-211-3200. Thank you, everybody.